It is really cute though. Look, it's blushing. Today I have a cheeseburger cat and I'm super excited about it. It's a stuffed animal that's shaped like a cat, that's shaped like a cheeseburger. So we're going to take a look at it today. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video, as well as my love for ridiculous stuffed animals, are my own. It even has little sesame seeds on the back of it. Oh my goodness. Say hello to Cheeseburger Kitty. Why are you petting my cat? Stop petting my cat.
And start purring.
It has an adorable little tail that is like smooshy. Like it feels different than the rest of the cat. So it retains its shape and it sticks up in the air, which is hilarious. Its little toe beans are on the wrong side of its feet, but that's only on the back. So you can see toe beans no matter which way you have the cheeseburger cat. Hello, toe beans. The sesame seeds on top are stitched really nice. You can see that it has lettuce, cheese, the hamburger patty, and a tomato, and the sesame seed bun. They also have a French fry, and I think a shake and a soda cat. I may be like collecting animal food stuffed animals. I was so into the cat that I almost forgot to tell you that it comes with all of these stickers also. Like a ton of stickers. So, oh, this one's fun. Yep. That's totally my personality. Purple fox.